If you're frustrated with filing, do a wave motion like this. It'll make it clean out that gullet and then straighten your file out to give a proper hook in the tooth. Now from a bird's eye view, you want your eyes looking straight down and just have that file going right with that top witness mark. The gullet's cleaned out and you got a hook. Now on the top plate of the tooth you have your witness mark and your working corner. Just make your file the angle of that witness mark. Side plate angle for reference for you. This is a properly sharpened tooth right here. I forgot to tell you about the rakers. I'll knock those down later. Right here I switched my arms. You gotta be kind of ambidextrous to sharpen a chain, but it's really not that hard. Just be flowing like water. Keep it easy. Soft strokes. When I first started sharpening chain, it was hard, but you know, you gotta crawl before you walk. So I know you can do it with practice and perseverance. Now this is a raker gauge. You can buy it on Amazon or wherever online, even in some hardware stores. And all you do is just set the top part on the tooth, set the raker inside the hole, and file it down. And that'll keep your saw cutting straight and to have the proper chip flow. Hey, if this video provided you value, give me a like. Hit the notification bell, subscribe, and yeah, God bless you. Leave me a comment on the way out. Appreciate you.